Hi, good morning. We were going to try to enjoy the beach a little bit this morning before we headed to the Grand Floridian to check in early. But we woke up and this is what is going on outside. It is currently pouring down rain and windy out there. So not exactly your ideal beach morning. So I think we'll head to Disney early.
Phenomena. Phenomena. Phenomena.
There we go. We are at the Floridian, which is amazing. We've come here before, like just to sit and but we haven't actually come to check in / stay. So this is going to be quite amazing. Oh, this is pretty cool. Oh, it's a chocolate sculpture. So is it on the egg or a rock? Not sure. That is pretty awesome though. Oh, this is nice. What song is it?
The street
This is like so manicured.
Perfect.
Everything. Everything. Alright. There's the beach over there. It is pretty warm. It'll be nice though, because we won't, I mean, if the room gets ready, we'll swim. But if the room's not ready, then we can't really swim because we can't really change. I mean, unless you want to swim in your stuff now. Yeah, this would be a great day to swim though, I'm not gonna lie. Tea party. Seeing they're filling up the hat up there. Great view of the Poly from here. These views, right? Talk about these views. Contemporary just that way. Hey, guess what? What? We get to stay here.
Ah!
I know.
I can't believe it. I'm kind of like, what?
This is awesome. This is awesome. And we're at Disney.
It doesn't really funk in.
Does it feel like Disney though?
Yes.
Okay.
Every time I'm here, I feel like I'm in Disney.
It feels like Disney. It really does. Because it was weird waking up with storms and gross and blah, but now we're here, right?
I heard the fireworks from the show.
Yep. We can walk that way. You want to go see it? So we were just kind of walking, and just through those trees, I don't know if you guys can see it, but you can see kind of our first reveal of the castle way back over that way. That's awesome. Welcome to Disney. The castle's right back behind the launch house kind of thingy. You can see Space Mountain from here. You can actually see the train station from here. See the flag?
Yeah.
This is so awesome. So we made it to the Gasparilla Island Grill. It's pretty cool because they actually have a whole coffee section here. And they've got Joffrey's, and then they've got desserts and cupcakes. I got a German chocolate cupcake, which I might have to get.
That actually looks really good.
Got muffins. And then they have the traditional food, like the burgers, chicken. They have a fish Reuben that's pretty good. They have pizza. Nice. It looks all good.
Nice. So you got the artisan. I always say it artisan.
Where's Artesia?
I don't know. Artisan burger.
And then
I got the smoked ham. Comes with chips apparently.
Yeah.
And I got a blueberry lemon cupcake, which looks absolutely delicious.
That looks really good. And then I got a German chocolate cupcake that also looks delicious.
And this came to $40. Well, we got a drink too to share.
And we got a drink to share.
Because our tip is you can share that drink as a couple or family, and you can refill it like 4 times.
Even if there's 6 of you, just get one drink and then just get everybody a straw, so you have like 17 straws in there.
Okay, so
or you can just drink it really fast through all 17 straws, right?
okay, well maybe not that, but for us it works. It was $40 for
everything.
For everything. So yeah, we're just gonna sit here and enjoy. And I don't know, see what happens. We'll see when our room gets ready.
Hopefully it gets ready
If
soon.
not, we're just gonna enjoy it.
I just need ketchup now.
Should be some over there. That looks like a
Go get me ketchup.
no.
Okay.
That looks like a really nicely freshly made hamburger.
Yeah. I mean, still Disney fries, but it's
So we just got notified that our room is ready. So we're waiting on our luggage so we can walk out there and see what it looks like. Seriously, an amazing lobby. And then in December when we come here, there'll be the gingerbread house, which I've seen once and it was amazing. So detailed. Smell. You want to stay in the Everglades suite, 7127? I'm sure we could afford that, right?
Why not?
I wonder what it looks like. So we could find a picture of it online.
Sure you can.
This is one of the outer buildings.
This is actually the elevator.
Got room 7513 in the Conch Key building 7. So I'm gonna show you the room tour. It's amazing. So you walk in and here's a closet with a nice safe. Ooh, a robe. Some hangers. And this is the bathroom. Got the double sinks, nice mirror, H2O. Is this Alice in Wonderland? I think it is.
Yes. That's
Alice in Wonderland. Got a hamper.
You got a hamper?
Nice bathroom, very spacious. Nice shower, H2O stuff. And then you got the nice chair. Oh, look, it even says Once Upon a Time on it. That's adorable. And the TV console. This very elegant TV stand. The couch. And then you got artwork with the Grand on it. And the bed. The Grand Floridian pillows. Nice, elegant table. And then we got this nice, what is this called? Like a
desk?
Like a desk.
It's almost like a desk. Oh, look,
Well,
they even gave us a free hat. Looks
the
like
whole
one
free hat,
online.
yeah. A Keurig machine. That's nice. There's nice curtains. And then I'm going to show you the thing we have that's super nice. We're on the 5th floor. And we have water view. And take a look at that. There's the boats. And the monorail line. And just off around the corner is the castle. This is a freaking amazing view. And the balcony is closed off up here because we're on the top floor. Wow. What's your impressions of this room?
Amazing.
Amazing?
Absolutely amazing.
What do you think of the view?
Look at, like,
Oh yeah, and
like
we got
big
vaulted ceilings.
Ceiling. I don't think you get like a big vaulted ceiling on like the lower floor.
No, I don't think so either. This is, wow.
I got a bunch of USB ports. Thank you.
This is just, I have no words. This is really awesome. I get to see the monorail, the blue and the yellow go by. That was pretty cool. But I want to show you what Nate is up to in here because it's really funny when you open the door. What are you doing?
Listening.
To what? Are you just sitting in here listening to the Disney?
And then we have 2 stations actually. We have this one, and then we still have the general one.
Now go back to the other one. How long have you been sitting in here listening to this?
When did you walk out?
Like 15 minutes ago.
So 15 minutes.
This is the beaches pool at the Grand Floridian. Yep. That water feature is really cool.
Yep.
You can reserve those loungers there.
I wonder why.
They're just not for everybody? What? Hi, monorail. It's starting to rain, I think. This is the pool. Beaches pool.
Monorail.
Still works. Your Apple Watch is still good?
Yep. I'll go this one.
And your Star Wars Magic Band. 40th. And I got my Junie and Burke one that I've been holding on to till we use.
This is a good idea.
To swim?
Yeah.
Right before the party?
Yeah, that was a good idea.
Yeah.
It'll feel nice and refreshed. You want to go into the waterfall?
Yes, I do.
You want to go down the...
No, it's more of a kid thing.
Sure?
Yeah. How's that feel? I don't want to get my makeup all off though.
Okay.
And the main building is just right there. He says it's gonna rain. Let me go scope it out. I'm gonna go scope it out. Let's go see if it looks like storms. Oh, hi, Mr. Lizard. All right, so yeah, it's kind of dark over there. It's probably gonna storm. Maybe it'll storm and get it over with before we go to Magic Kingdom. That'd be great. I'm not very smart sometimes.
Now what did you do?
That's the second time I did that.
That comes off. And then you feel the spray, and then what did you say?
That it turned into rain.
And I'm like, where? I don't feel any rain.
Oh, yeah.
Killing me.
Blonde moments left and right.
I really thought it was raining. I'm like, well, it's kind of cloudy. Maybe I just haven't felt it yet.
Nope.
Phenomena. Phenomena.